These two soups are the perfect complement for this Cheddar Bay Biscuit recipe. Stay to the end for the recipe. You have to try this yummy Cheddar Bay Biscuit dupe. Perfect for breakfast or dinner. You need eggs, sour cream, baking powder, cheddar cheese, melted butter, almond flour, cream cheese, and parsley. Measurements are in the video. Dump that all into a bowl, and you want to mix it really well until it looks like the picture there. And after that, take a quarter scoop, dump those bad boys onto a parchment lined cookie sheet, put them in the oven, and let them bake at 300 for 18 to 22 minutes. Top them with your favorite toppings. This is a great soup for a rainy day like this. Yummy. Look at all that. And this chicken soup is delicious. Write down the recipe and come back later and watch us make it.